Unlock your potential with experiential learning. Imagine standing at the edge of a diving board for the first time. You've read the manuals, watched the tutorials, and memorized the techniques, but nothing prepares you until you take the leap. That's the essence of experiential learning. It's about transforming knowledge into action and turning experience into wisdom. In today's fast-paced world, traditional learning methods can fall short. Lifelong learners crave deeper understanding and practical know-how. Experiential learning is the key. Pioneered by David Kolb, this method combines action, reflection, and experimentation to teach skills and insights that truly stick. At its core, experiential learning is simple: learn by doing. David Kolb's theory shows that knowledge forms when we actively engage with experiences, reflect on them, and adjust our approach. This cycle helps us grow, not just intellectually, but emotionally and practically. Whether it's solving real-world problems, experimenting with new strategies, or analyzing outcomes, experiential learning fosters curiosity and innovation. It's where mistakes become lessons and progress feels tangible. Most importantly, it makes us active participants in our journey, not just spectators. Kolb's experiential learning cycle unfolds in 4 key stages. First, there's the concrete experience, diving into a task head-on. Think of trying new software or cooking a brand new recipe. It's about immersing yourself. Next comes reflective observation. Here, you take a step back, analyze what happened, and ask questions. Why did this work? Or, what went wrong? Reflection sharpens awareness and prepares you for what's next. Then comes abstract conceptualization, drawing conclusions from your experiences. This is where you craft a new approach or hone an old one. Finally, the cycle concludes with active experimentation, testing those ideas, refining your skills, and embracing discovery through practice. For lifelong learners, experiential learning is a game changer. It doesn't stop at theory, it demands active participation. This approach equips you not just for exams or certifications, but for real-world challenges, fostering deeper understanding and transferable skills. It promotes resilience. Failures become steps to success as you learn to adapt, pivot, and grow through experience. Plus, the sense of accomplishment you feel from experimenting and succeeding is unmatched. Lifelong learners are curious, and experiential learning feeds that curiosity. How can you incorporate experiential learning into your life? Start small. Take on projects you've never done before, enroll in workshops, or engage in volunteer work that tests unfamiliar skills. Treat every experience as a classroom, observe, reflect, and experiment without fear of failure. Journaling is another powerful tool. Write down your reflections, analyze patterns, and brainstorm new ways forward. Discuss lessons learned with peers. Collaboration amplifies the experiential cycle, offering fresh perspectives and ideas. Remember, life itself is your greatest teacher. Whether at work, in personal projects, or through passions you pursue, opportunities to learn by doing are everywhere. The journey of lifelong learning is one of courage and action. Embrace uncertainty, seek challenges, and trust the process of reflection and experimentation. With experiential learning, you won't just gain abstract knowledge, you'll develop the skills, insights, and perspective to face life head-on. Let today be the day you take that leap of faith into experiential learning. Challenge yourself to step outside your comfort zone, reflect deeply on your growth, and experiment boldly with your ideas. Transform learning into action and action into success. Your future self will thank you. What's your next first step toward learning by doing? Share your goals in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiration on lifelong learning. Let's grow, together.